Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to uninstall or install Windows Media Player on Windows 11 PC. First, I will show how to uninstall, and after that I will guide you with how to install Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 PC in case it is not available on your Windows 11. So to uninstall it, first click on this one start button and then click on this one settings. Under Windows 11 settings, you need to select this one system in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and find this one optional features. Just click on this one tile optional features. After that, in this one search box, type Windows Media Player and you will see this one Windows Media Player Legacy app. Click on this one down arrow button and here click on this one remove button to uninstall and remove this one Windows Media Player from your Windows 11 PC. Like this you can remove it from your Windows 11 PC. In case you want to install Windows Media Player on your PC, click on this one start button and then click on settings. Under Windows 11 settings, click on this one system in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one optional features. Beside this one add an optional feature, click on this one view features button. Now type Windows Media Player and in the search results you will find Windows Media Player Legacy app. Check this one option. After that click on this one next button. Again click on this one add button. This will start downloading and after downloading it will automatically install Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 machine.